If you want to buy a kitchen of 15 lakhs, what are the 3 questions you're asking to a salesperson if you walk inside a kitchen store?
Of course, as a consumer, I'm trained to see the first look.
The design.
That is the first thing, the aesthetic, the design, look and feel,
Sure.
how it feels when I'm touching and all these things. I will also visualize this with all my wildest fantasy, like this is how the air is coming and this is how it is looking like. Then, of course, I'll look for the longevity, like how long it will
How much durable it is.
durability, or I already have a house, okay, so I know when I was selecting that time few things I have avoided, but after now it's like few years and I see the problems, like, so I'll definitely look for how it is behaves when there is a daily moisture, daily water is there, or then you are cooking, okay, so there is a heat, so how the color is behaving after 3-4 years or 5 years. So these are few things I look for.